Okay, we have on our screens, okay, Forex trading mastery. Okay, we are going to be looking at framing a trade setup. We are going to be looking at how to frame a trade setup. And this below text, okay, these key lines are what we are going to be looking at. We are going to look at how to mark previous days, or we are going to be marking previous days highs and lows. Then we determine where price is heading in the lower time frames. Okay, then after that we mark our time zones. Okay, so on your chart, if you don't have your local time zone set to New York local time, I'm going to help you or guide you through to do that. I'm going to give you an example on how to do that. Okay, so you have to get these things in place to be able to find a trade setup. Now we go straight on our time frames. Okay, now this is gold. I'm on the gold chart. Okay, and on the gold chart we move straight to our daily time frame. Okay, so on the gold we are on the daily time frame on gold. Okay, but before that I told you you need to set your time frames to the New York local time. So you right click on your chart, all right, just like this. Then you come to settings, like that. Now your settings, you be on this symbol here. Then you have here your time zone. Then you click there and you choose this UTC 4 year New York time. Okay, when that's done you click OK. Then we come to our daily time, our daily time frame. Okay, our daily time frame, and we can see that is Friday, the closing on Friday 10th. And we can see in our daily there has been a bullish reaction here. All right, and with this candle here we can see a retracement happening over here. All right, with this green wick here is showing us a retracement happening here. All right, so without much we do, we are going to um we mark our highs and lows. Okay, so that becomes our point of interest. Okay, then you can go ahead and mark the previous day low too as well, the other previous day low. Okay, so when that is done we go to our 4 hours time frame. Okay, on our 4 hour time frame we can see that price is on a bearish move. Okay, you can see that price is on a bearish move. And then on this 4 hour time frame I can spot a fair value gap here. All right, one, two, three candles, the gap between this candle and this candle here. Okay, the middle spot here, I'm expecting price to trace into that, or when price trade into that, then it retrace again up to the upside. Okay, all right, so we go to our 1 hour for clarity. All right, on our 1 hour time frame. Okay, we can see that still price is on a further bearish move. Okay, this here is showing us that price is on a bearish move to the downside. All right, and over here what can we see? All right, we can spot a gap here. All right, this gap and this gap between these candles, one, two, three. So we can spot a gap here. All right, between these candles. Okay, so we go ahead. That is, I come here and like to mark. Okay, we mark that gap between them and give that space out. All right, like so. Okay, so we are expecting price to trade into this area here. Okay, so I'm expecting to see a retracement here, like so. A retracement here. Okay, and then price move ahead to the upside like this. All right, and then retrace back to this side here, and then make a move to the upside. All right, and then do a little retracement like so, and then all the way to the upside. Okay, that is what we are aiming at. Remember, we want to see price take out this area here. Okay, all right, we want to see price take out this area here. So we look for our setup in this area here. When this happens, we look for our setup right in this area. Okay, so we take a buy setup to the upside. Remember this this is gold, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so we are looking for price to take our daily, our previous high here. So our target is for price to retrace down to this place and then take that high we are looking at. Okay, we are on the 4 hours time frame now on gold. So we are looking for price to make a run to this fair value gap here. And then when price make that run, we look for a buy setup straight to the upside. All right. Okay. Then we come back to our daily. Okay. We come back to our daily. And on our daily candle, remember that we want to see price take this high here, and that is what we are anticipating price to do. And that is what, when price down, we take our profit off here. All right, this is where you will take your profit off. And then you come and draw an anticipatory line, okay, where you expect to reach price from. Then we go back to our 1 hour time frame. Okay, all right. So on our 1 hour time frame, you see this line is an anticipatory line from when price is going to continue in the next trading hour. Okay, right now the market is closed and this was Friday. All right, so on Monday we are going to expect price trade like this lower, then it begins, it runs up, but you are going to expect some pullbacks along the way before price eventually goes up to the upside. All right, so these are the things that I look at, these are the things that I consider. This is what I do in hunting for trade setups, and you do this every day. A setup, you don't over trade, you look for one trade setup per day, and that's it. Okay, so I'll end this over here and let you guys, for your homework, go and search and hunt for setups like this. All right, just like how you've seen me done on this video, go back, practice, and as time goes on, you are going to get better at doing this. All right, as time goes on, you get better. Okay, so see you guys on the next trading session. Till then, take care and happy trading.